Hi everyone. So in front of me I have the daily chart of Nifty, and since this week is over, let's take a look at the bigger picture once again, so everyone is on the same page. So now from this low in April, we have counted this as impulse, so that could be wave 1 or it could also be A. So it is 1 or A, then we have a 3 wave down move in correction, that is wave 2 or wave B. So now we have been in wave 3 since yesterday, or even before that if we consider the complete move. Since yesterday, I'm saying since yesterday because after yesterday there is no doubt left that this up move in wave 3 has started, because it has broken past all the corrective possibilities, right? So first thing first, how big this move could be. So for that, let's take the equality of this wave 1 or A and this retracement. So with that, we get the equality level for wave 3 or C, this one at 26,781, and today's close is 25,637. So we are talking about nearly 1,000 points from here, 1,100 roughly, right? So that's the big picture, and right now we are in this 3C, and within 3C we are in wave 3 of this 3C. Now there has been a lot of extensions within this, and this is a daily chart, and here itself you can see a lot of extensions. If I go to hourly, it's kind of become much more complex. So that's the reason I'm showing the bigger picture in daily chart first. So that's the big picture. We remain in an uptrend towards 26,781, and there is obviously a possibility that equality is just one level that we watch out for. It could always extend. It could become 1.618 time, that is 28,539, but let's not go into that. Let's kind of take it level by level. So first level is 26,781, right? So that's that, and let's now go to hourly, right? So this is where we are counting this impulse, right? Let me just make it so we can see all these counts, right? So remember, this 3C is here. We are not even talking about this in this hourly chart. We are just talking about 3 of 3C, right? So now from this level, we have this wave 1, this, then this 3 wave correction in 2, and then we have 3, and this 3 is of this 3. So we are basically in third of this third, right? Within that we can see we have done 1, 2, this is third, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is basically an extended third. So this was third was completed. So we are possibly in fourth, and it's possible that in strong uptrend, right, it could be very small. So maybe like it could move, price could move from here, and this fourth will be this small only, but I'm just keeping it open for now. Let's see in case there's a deeper retracement in fourth, and then we will have 5, which will complete this third of this third, and which is of this third, right? So that's what I was saying, like there are a lot of extensions happening which might be a bit confusing, but the bigger picture remains. We are moving in a clear uptrend right now. Also, if you go back to daily, there is one possibility we need to consider. So that is, where did this wave 2 ended? This wave 2. So this was 1A, this is 2B, and then this is 1 of 3C, right? 1 of 3C, this one. So that till this point everything is clear. Afterwards there are two alternatives. One is this is WXY, and this is what the 2 is, and this is what we are counting. These we are assuming this is the count right now. So 2 ended here, and this was an impulse, and so this is 1 of 3, then this is 2 of 3, and then 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and 5 of 3, right? So that is one possibility, which is what our primary count. Second possibility is the correction 2 did not actually end here, but rather ended here. So this is the alternate. So this is 3W, this is X, and then this is Y, right? So, and then impulse is starting here. So 3 of 3C is starting from here. So in both the cases, it doesn't really matter because it would eventually end up being an impulse. It will be just like the minor level counts that will change. So there might be some difference in the size as well, but we are anyway going to kind of, capture the extension. So that shouldn't really matter, but just for the sake of clarity that which count or which third is this. So we are assuming right now that 2 ended here, and from this is where this third has started. And we might change it basically like, in case we feel that, okay, the counts are not making sense with this, we can switch 2 to here. That's why I've marked it as alternate 2 completed here. Okay, so that's that. And the expectation is for the next week that this uptrend should continue, and we might finish this third, and we might even do this correction. And depending on the speed of this, we might even complete wave 3 next week. But I'm hoping that we will at least do this 3 and 4 sometime next week. So that's all for this update. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.